Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Eufy HomeBase to your Wi-Fi. So to do this, you actually need to get the application from Eufy, and it will go ahead and do something like this. Basically, you just want to power your HomeBase to. So just connect it to your home router using the provided Ethernet cable. So you just want to plug the HomeBase onto a wall outlet. From there, you want to connect the router, basically Ethernet to Ethernet. It's going to be extremely simple. And from there, the LED indicator basically turns blue. This may take up to 1 minute when HomeBase 2 is ready for setup. Now from there, it's extremely simple. Just download the application and set up this system from there. It's going to be the Eufy security application from the App Store or the Google Android right here. So just go ahead and sign in to your Eufy security account, follow the on-screen instructions, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.